it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about another credit card approval with no hard inquiry, which is really good because I talked about the shopping cart trick before and how you guys can get credit cards without a hard inquiry. But we're in 2024, let's be honest. And a lot of people have been trying, and some people still don't even know about it. So I just want to make sure I make this video because somebody said that they were still able to get it to work. Now, the amount that you're going to get approved for is going to be different for everybody. But the point that it's still working, to me, that's a plus. Like, what more can we really ask for? We got to be happy about that. So somebody said that they can confirm that the shopping cart trick does work. They was approved for $150, no inquiry so far, and the card is on its way. Now, I love this too for those people that's trying to get secure credit cards. I love this for them because instead of trying to get secure credit cards, you can get credit cards with the shopping cart trick and build your credit that way. It's store cards. They do have Visa card, but most of them is store cards, but you guys can use this to really start building your credit. So let's go ahead and actually check out, how to actually do this trick because it's a trick. Basically what you have to do is you have to go to like Victoria's Secret website, or you have to go to Express website, and you want to put between $250 to $250 of items in your cart. Now once you go and click checkout, continue to say check out as a guest. Don't try to log into anything, just check out as a guest. Once you can continue to do that, you want to get a pop-up saying congratulations, you are pre-approved for the Express credit card if you're on Express, or if you're on Victoria's Secret, you're pre-approved for the Victoria's Secret credit card. And once you go through that, once you go ahead and click accept, they're going to ask for like the last 4 digits of your social. They may ask for you to verify like your address. Well, they already got your address. They're going to ask for you to verify your date of birth, and they want you to read the disclosures, but they're going to give you that credit card, which is good. I like to tell people about this because you guys are in the process of trying to build your credit, then this can be a great option for you. You guys can start building your credit, which is really good because some people have to put money down on secure credit cards. And honestly, I know it's people on the channel that's like, I just cannot get 4 different secure credit cards. Well, you can sprinkle in some of these credit cards and you'll be fine. So for you to be able to do the shopping cart trick, you have to go to a website called Factor Trust. So you can see it's right at the top, factortrust.com. And then you have to opt in. Do not opt out. Then when you fill out this form right here, you basically telling the credit card company, well, you basically putting your information to this credit bureau that's owned by, it's a smaller credit bureau that's owned by TransUnion. And what they're going to do is they're going to send your information to all the different credit card companies out there saying that you're interested in getting approved for this credit card, which is really good, right? And what they're going to do is they're going to send you so many offers in the mail. Have you guys received those offers in the mail where they're saying, we approved you up to $2,000 for this credit card, or maybe Capital One, Discover? You get those things in the mail from credit card companies. That's because a lot of times you may have opted in the past, didn't even know it. Maybe you didn't fill out this form, or if you opt in for sure, you're going to start getting them. And then you're going to start getting the pop-ups on the website. But you want to go ahead and click submit, and then you want to go ahead and fill out this form. Make sure you call them too to verify, because I know you're going to put an address on here, but you want to actually put this address on your file, because sometimes, like if you went to certain car dealerships, they already used Factor Trust in the past, so they already have information there for you, and they're not going to update your address. So you want to make sure that they update the address basically. And then also you want to do the opt-out pre-screen. So with this one, you want to fill out the same way you just did the Factor Trust. Only thing that's additional here is you got to put your phone number here, and you got to put your security code here. Okay. For to get in the system. Sometimes, like I said, sometimes you already in the system. Factor Trust already have information. Call them to verify what address they have on file for you, though, because it can be an address that you no longer live at. Because some people try to get this trick to work and it's not working because they're using an address that basically is a new address for them, and the credit bureau don't know it. Okay, so let me show you what Victoria's Secret is going to look like. So let's go to their website so you see again like how I do it. Now again, between $200 and $250, I have seen people put less money in a cart. I've seen people put more money in a cart. This is just a sweet spot that I know of. Okay, Everybody is going to be different, but I still want you guys to try to aim for this to make sure that you just see if it's going to work. Even if you guys are a man and you're trying to get the shopping cart trick to work so you can get a few credit cards on your credit report, please make sure that you guys just try Victoria's Secret first, only because when you guys try Victoria's Secret, they'll let you know if you can't get Victoria's Secret to work, you don't have it can't work for you. And this trick is not working for everybody. Okay. So that's why I say just try the Victoria's Secret. And if you can get it to work, then that means you can try the shopping cart trick, and then you can probably get any credit card on the shopping cart trick. So definitely try this one. Now, what you want to do is $200 to $250. I like to go to like sleep and then go like to cami sets, because I can easily find like a cami set and just get 3 of them, and that'll get me exactly where I need to go. So let's see. You can put whatever you want to put in your card. Don't think about, oh, this is stuff I want to purchase. Because once you get approved for these credit cards, if you really wanted to like use your Victoria's Secret credit card, then once you get approved, you can go use it right in the store. You're going to have your credit card number. You can really get the items that you want. Right now, we just want to know if the trick don't work. I don't want you to get excited, put a billion things in your cart, thinking you can get these things, and you never get approved for the credit card. Just first see if the trick is going to work, because you can always get your credit card number once you accept the offer. So I'm going to add 3 of these to the cart. Okay, add it to the bag. Okay, perfect. Almost there. Now, I already had some other stuff in here for the other video I was making about the shopping cart trick. So yeah, I'm just going to delete these here to get me back down to $250. Okay, so, well, less than 250. So I'm at $209. Continue to check out. My computer is really slow right now, so I just want to show you guys the steps. But definitely check out like the shopping cart trick. Once you see this and you want to try it, check out some of my other videos. You can go to my channel, maybe like the most popular one. Check those out. Put your first name, last name, put your address in here with your city, state, and zip code, and put your phone number. Also, again, your contact information. Put your phone number again and your email address. Leave this delivery stuff the same. You see where it says create an account to earn points? We're not doing any of that. We're just going to fake checkout. So once you put all your information in, make sure it's the same information you put in Factor Trust. Click continue to payment, and then you should get a pop-up saying, congratulations, you've been pre-approved for the Victoria's Secret credit card. Look up Victoria's Secret shopping cart trick Rickita, and then you'll actually see the actual pop-up. I also have one for Express, but definitely check this out. I just want to make another video, let you guys know that it's definitely working. If you guys have any questions, please go to my website, Rickita.com, and schedule a call with me or somebody on my team. Click right here where it says schedule a call. We'll be happy to help you all. But I hope that you guys get approved for these credit cards. If you guys were able to get a credit cards through the shopping cart trick, please drop them down, those credit cards down below in the comments so everybody can know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.